In front of me is Honor 400 Power, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner and tap on any photos you wish to add. If you can't find them here, scroll all the way down to choose folders at the bottom left corner. Then tap on all of your photos and tap at the top right corner twice. Firstly on Add button, then on Done. Lastly, just send your photos. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!